In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Mazda key fob. It's going to apply for 2009 to 2019 year models, and for the most part, it's going to apply to the Mazda 3, the 6, the CX-5, CX-7, CX-9, and also the MX-5. But basically, this is kind of a common sense thing. If you've got a Mazda key fob that looks like this, it's going to work for you. In order to get into this key fob, you're going to want to use extra caution, and it's going to be much more helpful if you've got a small flathead screwdriver like I do, because this key fob is actually much longer than a normal key fob, and you're going to need to kind of put the screwdriver right here on the edge and then kind of wedge your way up. Let me show you what I mean. So you're going to take this tab and push it up. That's going to release this key shank on the very bottom, this metal piece. All right. Then we're going to actually take our key shank and put it in this hole right here that I pulled it out of, and kind of turn it. And as I turn it, you're going to see the side of here open up. You see that? So I want to open it up as much as I can without breaking anything and being gentle. And then that's when I'm going to take this small flathead screwdriver, and I'm actually going to work my way up, and it should pop open. Did you hear that? So I'm going to keep working my way all the way around, and look at that. It came right open. Do not try to force this thing open, or you will break something, or you'll chew up the side plastic right there, and you'll have an ugly chewed up key fob then. Then you're going to see here that there's this big plastic portion. I can lift that up, and then that shows me my key. So this is actually a cover for the battery, and I think what Mazda has done, this is actually a brilliant design, because you can see that there is like a band here, and that I guess that's for like kind of making it waterproof. I'm not saying that it is waterproof, so don't go throwing these things in lakes and streams, but that looks like it would be. CR2025 is going to be the model of battery that you need, and this empties right out. Also, make sure that you put this in with the numbers and letters facing up, because that's how we pulled it out. Okay, I'm going to grab my new battery here, and I'm going to place this back in, and you can see I need to wedge it in, make sure it's nice and flat. Then I'm going to put this cover back on, and then I'm going to take this and gently place it back onto the back, snap everything into place, and this little bitty light should light up when I press the button, and there we are. So now I've got a new battery in my Mazda key fob, and I'm going to take the metal shank, put it right back down into this hole here, click it back in, and that is it. Just remember, if it's going to be much more helpful if you've got a little flathead screwdriver and you just very gently wedge your way all the way around, it'll open right up. All right, everybody, that's how you replace the battery in your Mazda key fob. Again, I would like to say a huge thank you to Key Source in Greensboro, North Carolina. Without them, I could not have made this video. Be sure to take a look at Key Source's information in the description box below. I'll be sure to leave their contact information, including their website. And also remember, the most important thing, have a wonderful day, everybody.